That guy looks like he has one leather face. It looks like W Toys is coming out with a Leatherface. He looks very freaky. You can see his very stitched up looking face there with all that little rooted hair. You can see his joints, but if you mention that to him, he'll probably mess you up. I do not want to mess with this guy. He's got a very bloody apron, and he comes with all the tools of the trade: chainsaw, sledgehammer, axe, other type of hammer, and little hook. And he comes with a cool looking magnetic base that I do not want to know what all those skulls are from. Let me know your thoughts on him in the comments because he looks pretty cool. I'm not a horror collector, but if you are, definitely let me know if you're picking him up. I talked about him on this week's episode of 6 Scale Stuff, so definitely check that out and hit subscribe for more 6 Scale stuff.